Hi you guys, so if you guys are new to the club, my name is Carolina. I am the biology club president. If you guys are not new, then hi. You guys know me already. I have been the one going over all of our meetings. So I am sending out this video because today me and a fellow one of our members came up with a super great idea for a fundraiser that we want to do in the upcoming like 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know exactly like how far it is, but anyways, so here are the details, and just, you know, shoot us an email or anything if you guys are interested. There will definitely be more information along with this video, hopefully in like a flyer or a pamphlet later on. So I'm outside and there are sirens going on, so sorry about that. Anyways, so this would be a fundraiser event, and I don't know if you guys know, but March 19th is the first day of spring, and so we would want this event to end up on either the 21st or the 22nd of March, which would be a Saturday or a Sunday. We still haven't figured out exactly. Sorry, there was a car passing by. We still haven't figured out exactly like what day we want to do it. It would mostly depend on who's willing to volunteer and when. So the idea for this volunteering event would be that we would want it to be community based, so anyone here in Bakersfield can go, and it would be the kind of event where we want parents to bring their kids along. So the idea is we would set up in a place like Riverwalk Park. We would bring like extra tables and set up I guess like little stations, and the stations would be like, the first station would be where parents go to pay. The parents would be expected to pay about $5 for their child, and that would count like all of the equipment like and supplies that they're using. The child would then either get like a little wristband or get stamped or something showing that they paid. That way we make sure that everyone who's actually using the stuff paid for it. And that's only because we expect it to get a little busy, so we don't want people just sneaking in, you know, because this is a fundraiser for us. We don't want to lose money. And parents can also, you know, all the cash will be handled at that first station. The second station would be where kids grab their pot and they would, you know, decorate it. And we are going to have paint and brushes and stuff for them to decorate their pot. Another station would be where kids would go and they would, you know, put the soil in, they would put their seeds in, and the seeds will be either a fruiting seed where they can, you know, have a vegetable or some sort of fruit or something, and another type of seed would be flowering seed where they would give flowers. Anyways, and we would be helping the kids with all of that, so we would need volunteers for each one of these stations. Another station would be where the kids can go and they can write their card, and it would be like a thank you card, happy birthday, whatever they want to use the plant for. They could, you know, give it to their parents, and they could just be like a to mom from, you know, Johnny, you know. And it would be a really fun event, you know. Here are some, I'm going to list off some of the details on things that we need help with and things that would be required for this event to actually take place. And if any of you guys know that you guys are able to help by participating or donating or doing anything, please let us know, because it is going to be here sooner than we think, and we need to get all of this situated. So this is a planting sort of event, so we will need seeds. We will need seeds that flower and that fruit. I already know where we can get some really cheap. They're actually selling boxes of seeds at the dollar store right now that we can get. I'm more than happy to go buy the supplies. But if any of you guys already have certain supplies or are willing to, you know, donate money towards it, or you guys can find it maybe even cheaper, let me know. But the dollar store definitely has some seeds, so if any of you guys are wanting to donate seeds or not, I already know where. We will also need pots, We are expecting the pots to be, you know, small pots where you don't want these really big pots. We want small pots. Right now at the dollar store, they are also selling pots, and they're like the little beginner pots. They're, you know, the little brown plastic ones. They're about yay big, and they're 12 for $1 there. So if you guys want, again, to donate some supplies, they're selling some there. Or if you guys know anywhere cheaper, the dollar store is 12 for $1. So if you find them anywhere else, please let us know so we can buy those. We will also need paint and brushes. I know they sell acrylic paint at Walmart for like bottles. Each color is 50 cents. So as of right now, that's where I'm planning to get it. If you guys want to donate, there you go. Or if you don't, please let me know where they might sell the paint cheaper. And brushes, I'm also planning on probably just getting them from Walmart. So if you know anywhere cheaper, please let me know. We would need soil. So since our pots are little, we don't expect to need a lot of soil. But if you know where we could find some that's really cheap, or if you'd like to donate some, please let us know. They do sell like medium-ish sized bags of soil. Like they're actually kind of small at the dollar store. So I don't know if I'll just end up getting some there, or if I could find some cheaper in bulk at like Walmart. Yeah. And then to make the cards, we will need like construction paper and markers. So the construction paper I'll probably get at the dollar store, and markers probably also get at the dollar store or Walmart. So again, if you want to donate, or if you know anywhere cheaper, please let us know. We are trying to spend the least amount of money that we can, because since it is a fundraiser, you know, we don't want to spend more than we will actually make. And in terms of stuff for the actual event, like those are the supplies we will need. Also, what we need is, we are going to have posters. I want to have maybe some advertisement posters. So if any of you guys would want to volunteer to make a poster for us, if you can't make it to the event, or even if you can, we will need some posters. If you guys do volunteer to do that, I will send out more information. That way you know what to put on the posters. But the posters will be a few different kinds. We do want a poster that is going to advertise like what we're doing, that we can put up like at the front of the park. We also want posters that just announce, you know, CSUB Biology Club event this way with an arrow or something. And maybe some posters that we can put like on a stake, that we can like stake into the ground around the park. Also, if you want to be a sign spinner, like holding up the sign in front of the park or something, we can have one of those too. You know, I really don't care. But we do want posters so they can advertise. And posters, we will also need a poster with like instructions. That way the parents know what they're supposed to do. You know, first, come and pay for your child. Second, you know, take them to a certain leader. By this point in time, we do hope to have our club shirts. I am working on the design, and I'm pretty sure that with this email, I will send out the design of the shirt, so you guys can let me know if you guys want one. I will be ordering them in the next week. That way we can have them hopefully by this event. Yeah, and if any of you guys have tables that we can use, like, you know, the foldable tables that we can bring to the park, we'd really appreciate it. I have about 2. We might want more just in case there's a lot of kids. We do want more tables, or even plastic table covers. They sell those at the Dollar Tree, but you know, if you have any, or if you want to donate some, we are looking for some of those too. So I did mention that this event would be $5 per child. There will also be a little raffle that we're going to do, and this is also just, you know, to get more money that we're fundraising for. We are expecting to make about 10 raffle prizes, and these raffle prizes are going to be small, so we don't want like a really big basket. We're looking more like a little pot or something filled with stuff. And I don't expect the pot to be over $10 worth of items. Like it can literally be 2 or 3 items. It's a small little giveaway. And some ideas were, you know, to make them different themed. We want some for maybe moms, maybe a raffle for like dads, a raffle for children, you know, just so everybody can kind of feel like they have something that they would like. An idea would be to have a gardening raffle where, you know, you buy a little plastic pot and you put some gardening gloves in there, maybe a shovel and maybe some seeds, and that would be it. You know, you can get all of that stuff at Walmart or at the dollar store for like $5, and you know, that would be a raffle. It's small, but you know, like the more prizes we thought that the more prizes we have, the more likely we are to get people to buy raffle tickets, because they'll think that they'll be more likely to win than one winner, you know? And so the raffle prizes will be small. We can have another prize where it's for kids. So it might be like a coloring book with crayons and some candy. You know, it doesn't have to be all out, but we are wanting 10 raffle prizes. So if any of you guys are able to either donate items for the raffle, or if you guys want to volunteer to make one of the raffle prizes, we would really greatly appreciate it. There will be a place, like a link somewhere on the email, hopefully, where you guys can sign up for that. And again, this will need to all be done, and we need to have all of this by the 21st or 22nd of March. So I'm hoping that we have everything by the 20th. And yeah. And then the last thing that I wanted to mention is another way to make a little extra money would be selling sodas, waters, juices, and like little mini bags of chips. So we would need someone to go around trying to sell that, or stay near the table, you know, selling the food. And we will be looking for the cheapest places to buy those items in bulk. I'm hoping like maybe Sam's Club or Costco. If any of you guys know anywhere cheaper, or if you guys would like to donate some of these supplies, please let us know. More importantly, let me know. I'm going to be, I think, the one keeping all of these things in storage to bring to the event. So you guys can let me know if you guys have something you want to donate. We can definitely meet up, and we could pass it along to me, okay? Oh, and we were also thinking Otter Pops, but those we would most likely buy the day of at like also Sam's Club or something like that. And we'd need a cooler to put a lot of this stuff in. So if any of you guys have a cooler that you guys are willing to let us borrow for the day, thanks. Again, let me know. So this is expected to be a really big event. Please tell all of your neighbors and your friends about it. I will send out a flyer along, hopefully, with this video. You guys are more than welcome to please send it out on your Facebook, your Instagram, Snapchats. I want everybody to know about this event. I will be creating a Facebook event for this if you guys want to mark that you guys are going or not. And I will try to put out flyers also, that way we can start posting them around the school. I have already told a lot of my neighbors about it, so they know. They're going to tell their friends from church, and hopefully we get a lot of people at this event. That is what I want, okay? The more people we can get at this event, the more money we are able to make, and the more events we are able to have. We really want to do events out of town, and the cheapest way to do that is fundraising and getting to use the club funds for that. So hopefully this event goes really well. And if you guys have any ideas, if you guys are willing to donate either money, supplies, your time, volunteer, or have any other ideas of stuff we can add to this event, please let me know. I am more than welcome to listen, and I just want this to be the best event possible. Yeah, I think that's it. So like I said, any questions, please email either me at cruiz, RUIZ 20 at csub.edu, or email the CSUB biology club, which is where you're getting this video from, I assume. And please let us know anything, okay? So that's it. Bye.